Welcome to my real life, where I'm trying to make new friends as a middle-aged adult and as someone who has moved multiple states and built new friend groups wherever I go. In this video, follow me as I balance work and being an extrovert who enjoys her own company with trying to build new community. Okay, good people, it's a work day, so I'm moving. I'm not moving slow. I just got back in from running quickly to the store after my morning routine because I needed to get paper towels. It's completely out. And so I picked up some more maple syrup because my maple syrup is down here, and we're eating waffles this week for breakfast. And I also got some more candy for my little jar that I keep on my coffee table. Let's just say that this watermelon I bought, I'm gonna do better. This is the first one of the season and I'm gonna do better, but it still serves me for breakfast, hydrates me, and gives me the vitamin C I need to take my iron. That's really what's important here. Okay, so I have 10 minutes to chill, switch gears. Let me adjust this. And then I'm going to work for several hours. I have 3 meetings today starting at noon. And I'm going to eat lunch after meeting number 2. They're all internal, so I don't intend to put on makeup or get dressed or anything. I don't think I have any external meetings this week, which is so nice. Now, the way it works is I could get added to my calendar so I don't get too excited, but I'm happy right now, so I'm going to take 10 and enjoy my tea. I am out of mate, yerba mate, which I need to get some because it is caffeinated, for real. And I'm not sleeping well in the moment. There's just so much going through my mind every night. It's the world crashing in, right? I wait to read news until about 3/4 of the way through the day. And I've just found there's no good time to do it to where it won't start crashing in my brain at the end of the night. There's just no way. So what I've done is just allow myself more time for sleep so that when my brain interrupts my sleep and it takes me a moment to get back to sleep, I'm still rested when I wake up, but having mate really does help me not have to have several cups of tea within my day. So I'm going to pick some up before I go to tennis later, which I've been thoroughly enjoying tennis so much. So yeah, I'm going to take 10 and then begin again. So sweaty. Okay, so this is going to be my 4th run of the week, which is great because I won at 5. I'm not mad at that. And I get to run outside, which is great because it's been raining. So this is my warm up. And then I'm going to do 2 half-mile splits. So it has been raining every day and dark. So today is the first sunny day and I want to go to a coffee shop. That's my aim, to work at a coffee shop for like 3-4 hours today. And one with a lot of windows. So I've chosen one. I want to get my work done. I do have to take one meeting that I'll probably just take here because I brought my headphones, and I want to write 2 Substack posts. That's the aim as well. Excuse my steering wheel. Okay, so that was really good. It was really productive. I did write one Substack post, and that is because I actually took the time to develop a framework for the series, the posts on that series. I looked at the first 6 posts and really looked at like the structure I was going for, what taglines I had, headers, all that stuff, and just developed a framework even for the storytelling itself. And that helped me write one of the lessons, the easiest ways I've written them ever, lesson 7, which I think, yeah, that'll go out before this video. But I'm going to go home because I was freezing in there. That's why I brought this, because I knew I would be cold, because in Atlanta, if it's sunny, even in Florida too, outside, it's going to be freezing inside. That's just how it goes. And so I did that. It was good. Now I'm going to go home. I have food at home for lunch. So when I do get hungry, I'll eat that. But I'm actually going to go home and write another Substack post. I took my meeting. Like I said, I did lots of work. And so I'm just going to go home. It's Friday. Once I write that Substack post, I'm going to chill. And then I'll see you guys later tonight. Me and my partner and I are going to dinner. He chose the place. I don't even know what he chose. I just told him I wanted to do something more casual because I've just been doing so much and dressing up so much this summer. And just, yeah, I wanted a chill night. So casual. We'll see what that ends up being. Okay, so this is the last thing. It's not one of my hobbies. I am a bridesmaid in one of my friends, her wedding in October. And this is my bridesmaid dress. I need to get it altered. Sorry, y'all can't see my face much. I need to get it altered, so I express shipped it. But it can be worn 2 ways. I love this color though. It's a mocha color. Do you see the vision here? She is brilliant. Like, that's gonna look so good on my skin. I don't know what shoes I'm wearing. Gotta figure that out. But I have this wedding and 2 galas to attend in October. So I'm gonna wear this to the wedding first, of course. And then I'll wear it to the 2 galas. One gala's in New York, one's here. So nobody will see it. If they do, I really don't care because I'm going to get my money's worth out of the clothing I purchased. And I attend a fair number of galas. I already have one in the spring that I have to attend as well. So like dresses like these, I will be able to wear again and again. I could give them away, but like I attend at least a couple galas every year. And I'm sure there'll be more because the way our world is right now, the elite are thriving. And when they thrive, they like to gather and they like to be entertained. And I work in an industry where they entertain, but also my job is one in which I have to hang around the elite. I have to be able to move in those circles in order to do my job effectively. So yeah, I remember the first time I went to the Kennedy Center Honors, I bought a dress, and y'all guys, if you've been here a while, you know this, which what's happened with it. Anyways, but I bought a dress, right? And I was talking to a woman, an older Black woman. She was like in her 50s, not old at all. Not even, I shouldn't even say older, just older than me. She was the conductor for that orchestra for the Grammys that year. And I was talking to her and I was telling her, yeah, I bought this dress. I don't know when I'm going to wear it again. I should probably just start renting dresses. And she said to me, honey, this is what you need to know. You're in the big leagues now. You're going to need more than one of these types of dresses. And I just laughed at the time. But you got to listen to your elders, guys, because she was so right. And so now I just keep in rotation a certain number of dresses for formal galas, formal receptions, floor length dresses, basically. for that purpose. Not a lot, because I'd rather rotate them or donate them. Like when I get rid of them, I donate them for proms. I always find some school that needs them or some organization that's doing prom dresses, and they're always still in good shape, right? Because I know I'm going to wear these things again. I keep them well. So yeah, anyways, said all that to say, I got this almost a size too big so that I could get it tailored to my body. It's like, it would probably fit fine over my hips, but my chest and like everywhere else, it's a size too big. So I'm going to go ahead and get it altered, which is why I need it now so that I could do it and have it all set before her wedding. I ain't gonna stress this lady out like that. Anyways. Running late to tennis for 3 reasons. 1, 285, random trucks, traffic. Like they're all trying to get off on the same exit. What is that? 2, debris in the road. Somebody's whole alternator is in the road. And 3, because I'm talking to y'all. Okay, I got you. Y'all see the white Stanley? They're everywhere. All right, y'all, I didn't do terrible. I'm getting better. Did I tell you I was asked to join a team? So like that's why I'm playing so much now, to get better. But anyways, I'm gonna make a smoothie at home. So like I said, I was asked to join a tennis team. And so I'm in a beginner tennis team at one of the leagues around here in Atlanta, adult tennis leagues. And it's just like so fun and gratifying to be even asked, right? Because I have made friends in many cities over the years because I've moved enough to do so. And as an adult, right? And the internet will have you thinking like making new friends as an adult is just trash, just the hardest thing ever. But I have found that if I join a club that is having something to do with my interests, right, I meet like-minded people just naturally, right? And I don't join like a really tiny club typically. I join one with a lot of members, and I show up consistency. I show up with a level of openness and vulnerability. I am not an extrovert, so it's not like I'm going in there loud. I'm just myself, right? And I end up making friends. So I started out going to tennis once a week, and then I started to go 2 times a week. And the ladies, when they're like, hey, you guys want to meet up for brunch? I go, right? Or if the club I join plans something, I go. So like y'all seen me out going to brunch, going to bachata and cocktails. All of that has been a part of this club, and I've been making friends, and it's just so nice. Cause like even today after tennis, they're like, hey, you guys want to go out tomorrow? Like just have brunch or whatever. Cool. Or like after tennis, we'll go upstairs. They have this like cafe up there, and we'll just chat it up, have some food, just chat it up. And so I'm making new friends as an adult. And I love it because I just want to expand my circle, have more women friends my age. And we have the added bonus of meeting my health goals, as in me getting more active, right? Now I'm exercising 5 days a week, oftentimes twice in a day, right? And I feel good. It's fun. That hour of tennis goes by just like that. And because I am a process person and I want to get better, now I'm like, okay, now I want to do a 3rd class, just me hitting balls so I can get better at serving, right? Like I'm naturally getting more active, but I'm also building more community, and I'm having fun doing it. But I am an introvert. Don't get it twisted. What does that mean? That means that I still need time by myself, right? And so today I've done tennis. I've spent time with my man yesterday, and today is for me. Okay, the rest of the day I am going to relax. There are a couple of productive things I need to do, like I need to vacuum, I need to plan out my meals for the next week. But I already know what I'm gonna eat for dinner. So it's like 1 o'clock now, and I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the freaking day and be my introverted self. I'll probably read, just not go outside because I don't feel like seeing people or being around people for the rest of the day.
I like this.
So I wanted some soup dumplings and other stuff from my favorite place to get it. They make them in-house, right? If you eat in-house, you could see them making the dumplings, but I didn't want to stop. Like, I didn't want to sit in there. I just want to eat it at home because I'm feeling very introverted right now. But if you come to Atlanta and you want any kind of Asian food, you got to go to Buford Highway, which are two different places, Buford, Georgia and Buford Highway. But it has all the kinds of Asian food, plus some Mexican food joints as well. It's just a lot of gems. Like, my favorite tacos are actually in a grocery store on the street. They're like $1 to $3. They taste like true street tacos, the ones you get in LA and in Mexico. They're so freaking good. But said all that to say, if you come to Atlanta and you want like authentic food from anywhere in Asia, really, like anywhere, you go on Buford Highway and you just see what you could see, basically. And that's how you learn. But anyways, let me concentrate on getting home. So what we have here is an array of delicious food. If you've never had a soup dumpling, soup is literally inside the dumpling. So one of the dumplings popped, so I could show you. But these are the dumplings. They're handmade, but they're soup. Can you see the liquid? You can't see. Okay. They're soup inside. So when you pierce it with your mouth, you get soup in there with the dumpling. It is the most perfect bite. I love these garlic green beans. So good. And then of course, some spicy beef. It's one of their specialties with the numbing peppercorns and some celery. So freaking good. I'm going to make myself a plate and I'm just going to chill for the rest of the night. I don't know what I'm going to probably watch Scandal, y'all. I'm at the end of season 4. They're just so good. I love a garlicky, it's green beans with garlic sauce. I love a garlicky vegetable. These, you see this? Oh. By the way, at sushi joint last night, the server complimented me on my chopstick usage, and now I feel invincible. You can't tell me anything because I'm not really that great with them, I don't think, but apparently I'm better than I think I am. Get a bit of rice here as well. There's a lot of rice. I'm not gonna eat all this rice. Anyways, we'll make a plate, sit down, watch me some Scandal, have a little wine, and that's gonna be it for my weekend. So I look forward to chatting with you all in the comments below. Thank you for rocking with me, and I'll see you next time.